Hey, good morning. It's December 21. What? I meant December 1. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? I'm excited for Christmas. Can you guess what song this is? Oh my gosh, I literally can't with these kids playing and shouting outside our house. It's annoying, but they're having fun. But it's oh my god, but it's messing with this video, and I'm gonna see you later when these kids shut up. So I bought some glasses online and they're cheap, but let's see if they're fine. Do that. So comment down below if you like it. I like it. It's fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. And also this one. Yeah, I went with the colored. Oh my god. Pig is shouting. So I got these. I tried it, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, what the heck? It's so boring. What if I like, you know? Is there such thing as distressed sweatpants or joggers? Let's just try. Oh my gosh, I'm scared about ruin it. Oh my gosh, no. Look. Do you even see it? Okay. Oh my gosh, is this right? I just ruined it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's try to distress it. I just ruined it. Look. Or did I? Oh my gosh. Dang it. It's December 7th, and today I'm gonna show you all the Christmas gift ideas that you're gonna give to your mother,
father, sister, brother, younger brother, your grandmother and grandfather, I don't know, or your coworker or your friends. Yeah.
So let's start with number 1, perfume or cologne, so that whenever they smell it, it reminds them of you. That trendy sunset lamp. Yeah. Jewelries, necklaces, accessories, makeup, like lip balm. Is that makeup or skincare? Makeup or skincare, yeah, lip balm, foundation or cleanser, those stuff, moisturizers, face masks, and a basket full of foods. Yeah, some dolls, scented candles, hoodies and jackets, kitchen stuffs or tools, and also a toolbox for your dad, or your grandpa, or your boyfriend. Yeah, a ring light for people who are in photography. You could also give them flowers. Next is sunglasses. Who doesn't? You could also give them shoes. I've run out of ideas. Sorry. That's it. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a very, very Merry Christmas. Bye.